happy ways. Know you fucking a man that's made. Hey, keep it low key, she ain't after fame. No, she ain't after fame. You ain't like that old I used to.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northern Cleveland County and Canadian County and central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County and central Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridge Creek, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Midwest City, Dell City, Newcastle, Blanchard, Mustang, Choctaw, Noble, Tuttle, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Tacoma Park, Goldsby, Minko, Valley Brook, Cole, Bridge Creek, and Stanley Draper Lake. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
I soldier don't know anything about my leg.